Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the compression level you need, for example 20-30 mmHg, because fit affects circulation and comfort. Once done, sit on a stable chair with your knee slightly bent and foot at hip height to control placement. Then push the sock onto the aid until the toe pocket reaches the bottom. Make sure the heel alignment matches the aid curve so the sock won't twist when you insert your foot. You slide your toes into the exposed opening and feel for the toe pocket. This ensures even tension and prevents bunching. Next, grip the handles or straps and steady your lower leg with the other hand. Stability avoids tugging on skin. As you pull the aid upward, do it slowly and use short, controlled strokes. Make sure to smooth wrinkles with your free hand and pause if you feel pinching so the compression seats evenly over the calf. You finish by ensuring the top cuff sits just below the knee crease. This prevents slippage and preserves circulation. Then smooth any remaining wrinkles by stroking downward. Once done, wiggle your toes. Slight free movement confirms correct size and fit. If you encounter resistance, pinching, or increasing pain, stop immediately, unroll the aid, reseat the sock ensuring heel and toe alignment, and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.